Good evening to everyone. Good evening to Father President Renato Tampol and the SBD priest. To our Governor, Bonds Delor and wife Diaz Delor. To our Congressman Arnan C. Tamiligan. To our Mayor Doy Lachon and wife Yoli Lachon. To the BWCC family, respected administrators, faculty, fellow alumni, distinguished guests, and dear friends. I stand before you tonight with a heart full of gratitude and humility as I accept this recognition. This honor is deeply meaningful to me, not only because it comes from my beloved alma mater, but because it reflects the values that this institution has instilled in me since I was a young student in class 1982. Nung ako po'y pumasok sa BWCC, Mindoro College pa po ito, way back 1975. At ako po ang unang graduate ng Divine Word College way back 1980. Divine Word College of Calapan was more than just a school. It was where my character was shaped, where my sense of purpose was nurtured, and where I first learned that true success is measured not by personal achievements, but by the impact we make in the lives of others. Throughout my journey in public service, including my time as the city mayor of Calapan, I have always carried with me the principles I learned within these walls: integrity in leadership, compassion for others, and unwavering commitment to serve the people. These values guide me in every decision, especially in moments when the needs of the people had to come first. Public service, as I have come to understand, is not defined by position or title. It is a daily choice, a commitment to listen, to act, and to care. It is for the welfare of others that I must do it. It is about showing with sincerity, even when no one is watching, and doing what is right, even when it is difficult. This recognition of mine, I share this with the people who have trusted me, worked with me, and believe in me. My colleague in government, my family in the Divine Word College of Calapan, who has been my constant source of strength, and the people of Calapan, who have allowed me to serve them. To the students and young alumni here tonight, I encourage you to carry forward the mission of Divine Word College of Calapan. Let your education be your foundation, but let your compassion and integrity define your path. The world needs leaders who were not for recognition, but for purpose. To my alma mater, thank you for this honor. Thank you for shaping individuals who are not only capable, but also committed to making a difference. My action simply says, service before self. Congratulations to my fellow awardees. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Divine Word College of Calapan. Happy 80th founding anniversary.